In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Canva. If you've ever opened a design and felt stuck because you didn't have the right photo ready to go, don't worry. Canva makes this process much easier once you know where everything is. Whether you want to upload your own pictures or use Canva's built-in photo library, the key is to work from inside an active design first, so all the image tools are available. To begin, open Canva and go into a project workspace. This is an important first step because image controls work best when you already have a design open. From your dashboard, click Create a Design in the top right corner and choose the format you want, such as an Instagram post, a presentation, or any other layout that fits your project. If you already have a file in progress, you can simply open that instead. Once the canvas is on screen, you're ready to bring in images. If you want to use your own photos from your computer, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Uploads. This opens Canva's Upload panel, where you can manage your media in one place. Click Upload Files, then browse your computer and choose the image you want to add. After you select the file and confirm, Canva will upload it into your media library so you can use it in the current design and often in future projects as well. There's also a faster option if your image files are already easy to access on your computer. Instead of using the upload button, you can drag the files directly from your desktop or folder and drop them right onto the Canva window. This shortcut saves time and is especially useful when you're working with several images at once. As the files upload, you'll usually see a progress indicator in the side panel. If you don't have your own image ready, Canva also gives you access to a large built-in library. To use that, click Elements in the left sidebar. At the top of the panel, use the search bar to type in keywords that describe the kind of image you need. Then scroll until you find the Photos section and click See All to browse more options. This is a great way to find polished visuals quickly without leaving your project. Once your image is uploaded or selected, drag it onto the canvas. If you release it, in the middle of the page, it will appear as a regular image layer that you can move and resize. If your design has a frame or grid, drag the image over that area and wait for it to snap into place. Canva will automatically fit the photo into the shape, which helps keep your layout clean and professional. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.